Hey guys, today we are doing an unboxing. We're unboxing a Naruto Shippuden heat activated mug. Alright, you already can see this looks so cool. Just look at that. When you put hot water in it, it will show you like his chakra and his Naruto sign. When it gets cold, it will disappear. Our sister bought it for £10. You can see, wait, hold on. £10. That looks so sick. Anyway, let's just open it. It's just got this stuff. No one really cares about that. Let's open the bloody mug. Alright, look at that. That looks so cool. That does. Look, you can see his like chakra sign behind him already, and you can see behind here as well. You can see the sign already. It actually has both sides. It has one here, and one. I'm dirtying the whole cup. Look at it. Oh my god, dirty the whole cup. Okay. Not used, never used from before. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to show you guys how it heats up and stuff. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah, it's like from being like 0 seconds, but I actually had to go around getting the jug. Crap. Hold on. I had to get the jug full of hot water and the cup full of cold. And I got a bowl to put the water in. Anyway guys, we're gonna first do hot because that's what it says to do on the thing. Alright. This is real hot water, I'm not even kidding. You can see the steam. Not too much. It's gonna burn me. Alright, can you just see that? Look how sick that looks. Look at it going off. Look behind him. Wait, let me get an angle so you can see both sides. That looks so sick, that does. We're just waiting for the whole thing to get changed. Look at that. That looks so cool, that does. Just look at that. I don't want to burn myself. Holy. That's the thingy making that sound. What do you call it? Holy, I'm out of breath because I was like walking up and down. Hold on, let me get an angle that you can see. Okay, now you can see it. That looks so sick, that does. Look at it. Wait, let me pour it out now. Okay, now there's no hot water in it at all. It's like empty. We're gonna pour cold water in now. Alright. Well, it's not doing nothing, is it? Holy, can you see right here? So it's getting darker. Okay, I need to fix the light in an angle. Oh, that looks so sick. It starts going from the bottom all the way to the top. Look at that. That looks so awesome, that does. It's kind of heavy and I'm holding it in an angle. Can you see it disappearing behind him? Alright, up here is not disappearing because the water is only filled to a certain amount. You can see right here. Yeah, it's dimmed better. You can see better because we're playing with water in it. You can see, so the water only comes up to here. So it's not going to get any colder from this. Wait, I'm going to tilt it in an angle. Okay, after waiting for a few minutes, it eventually cooled down. I'm going to pour it that way. Anyway, I'm saying this mug is actually cool because now you can know if your drink is hot or cold. That is so cool. You guys should get it. I don't know how much it is for other prices. Oh, too much water in that. I don't know how much it is in other countries, but you can check online. It's called the Naruto Shippuden heat activated mug. That's what it's called. Hot and cold. You guys should totally get this thing because it's super awesome. I'm not getting sponsored by this anyway. I'm just doing because I wanted to do unboxing for a very long time. Thanks for watching, guys.